A student spills the ink on the page of the textbook and defines redshift. The ink covers the three important words 1, 2, 3. The redshift in dash dash in an observed dash of electromagnetic radiation emitted from the dash stars and galaxies. Okay, a redshift is an increase in the observed wavelength of electromagnetic radiation emitted from receding, because the stars and galaxies are always moving away. So that's it.